Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video, and this is my Insta360 One X2. This camera came out in 2020. I bought it a year after it came out in 2021, and I really don't see a reason to upgrade to another camera at this point, to spend almost $600 for a camera that basically does the same thing this camera does, except it has a bigger screen. It does have a bigger battery, I will give it that, but I've never had a battery go dead on me on this thing because I don't use it that often. I'll use it in different situations and locations depending on where I am. I will go, hey, you know what? This will look great on a 360 camera. I keep it in my camera bag, but it's not a camera that I use all the time. It's like a specialty camera for just certain situations. And the things that I have here are a couple of the things that come with it. There's one other thing that came in the box. I don't know where I put it because I don't use it, but this is a sleeve that comes with it where you don't have to keep this cap on it. You can just take this and stick it inside that sleeve. That's another way to protect those lenses, or you can rock it without this. This is the normal way I normally take it, and just keep that piece over the top to protect those lenses and carry it like this with this selfie stick that comes with it. And this selfie stick stretches out pretty far, pretty easy to use. It doesn't come with tripod legs on the bottom. So what I did was I took tripod legs from one of the gimbals that I had, and I would stick it on the bottom like this if I wanted to have it stand and do some shots, and would have it more like this, okay? But I want to show you guys the video quality from this thing, it being a 4-year-old camera now, and show you that there's not much of a difference between what these cameras, the X4, the X3 looks like, and what this looks like. The main thing that has changed is the front-facing screen. They did give it the ability to attach Bluetooth speakers, wireless, not speakers, microphones to it, where you can use that more. But everything else is pretty much the same. I still can control this with the app on my Apple Watch. Honestly, 4 years later, I looked at those cameras compared to this camera, and when you look at the quality from that one to this one, unless you're looking at it on a 4K monitor and you're pixel peeping, you will not be able to tell which camera is what. That's just being honest. If these reviewers who are telling you guys about these cameras did not do a side-by-side and just put one and then look at the other one and never label them and ask you to guess and never tell you at the end and then come back and tell which percentage got it right, most people wouldn't know. It's just a simple 50-50 guess. But for me, guys, I'm gonna hold on to this again until it breaks. Once it breaks, or stop completely working, or the battery is just degraded to the point where it doesn't work anymore, then I'll look at upgrading. But for me, I don't shoot long enough for the battery to even get to 80%. I'll charge this thing up to full capacity, shoot for about 20 minutes. It'll be bound to about 92, 93%, and I'm done with it. It's just a couple specialty shots I try to get with this, nothing real crazy, and I'm happy with it. You know, I don't see a reason to upgrade, guys. So this is 3 years for me, but this camera is actually 4 years old, and I'm completely satisfied with my purchase. So until the next time, guys, that's it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. As always, I'm out of here. Peace.